The cord is a 2-wire 14-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. With the handle opened up, now I can remove the clamp that secures the cord to the housing. I'll pull the cord away from the housing and disconnect the white wire. The black wire is secured to the switch with a screw. To remove the cord guard, you'll need to cut the terminal off of the neutral wire. This means you'll need to purchase a new terminal for reassembly. Now I can begin installing the new cord. First, I need to cut the wires to length. I'll use the old cord as a guide. I'll line the wires and then cut them down to the proper length. Next, I'll install a new eyelet on the end of the black wire. And now I'll reinstall the cord guard. I'll thread the wires through it, and now install a new terminal on the white wire. I'll strip back about 1/4 inch of insulation from the white wire for the new terminal. You'll notice there's 2 sets of bend-over tabs on the terminal. The larger tab fits over the bare portion of the wire. And the smaller tab clamps onto the insulation. Now I can reinstall the cord onto the switch. I'll place the cord guard into the opening in the housing. I'll make sure enough of the outer cord insulation has been pulled through so I can clamp it in place with the cord clamp. And I'll secure the clamp with the screws. Now reconnect the white wire. And the black wire. Now reinstall the top half of the handle and secure it with the screws. And now you can install a new power cord on your power tool.
Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice.
If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.